Hi, I'm Mike Yost. I want to welcome you to CESMII. CESMII is an ecosystem of manufacturing professionals who are all working together to move us forward. In here, you're going to find experts and newbies, manufacturers large and small, software vendors and machine builders, and educators and researchers. Our mandate is to democratize smart manufacturing, which means making it available to everybody. And what you'll find is that many of the people inside CESMII are eager to share their experiences, share their knowledge, and share their connections to others who might be able to help. So we encourage you to ask whatever questions you have. This is a safe space filled with like-minded professionals who are willing to share. If you have questions about smart manufacturing technologies, go ahead and ask. Want to know about the future of work in manufacturing or the connected workforce or what education will look like down the road? You can ask that too. Of course, we're always looking for people to answer questions too. So if you're one of those people who's willing to answer questions for others, please let us know that too. There are plenty of people out there who need to know what you know.